No, you're absolutely right. And there's an aspect of AI which I'm curious to get your take on, which is saying like I'm gonna have this AI act as an agent. Like there was Auto GPT was a really big
Hmm.
movement where you say I'm gonna program a couple different things and I want it to go automatically make a reservation for me, call someone, text message, write a program, deploy it, just whatever series of things. And so people are talking about if the AI agent is going to do things on my behalf, how does the AI agent interact with payments or ordering things? Does it need to have a credit card? Should it use something like this, like the Solana thing that you're sharing here, which is like maybe it invokes a transaction on the blockchain to pay for something? Do you think that that's going to unlock like that payments mechanism is going to unlock something for these agents or play out differently?
Yeah, that's a great question. I don't know the answer to it because I'm not convinced that, I mean, okay, so I think like on the Solana blockchain, like these agents could unlock stuff to transact, right? Like, say you are a developer or a company and you build something like, hey, I'm going to build this dApp on top of the Solana blockchain, but these AI agents are going to exist in the user experience, right? And so you're using these, Chat GPT like or plugins or agents to interact with the customer, and the user experience involves like posting something on the blockchain or a transaction happening on any blockchain. It could be Solana blockchain or anything. So you could easily have these payment, the agent make these payments happen through the Solana blockchain. And the question is like, I think the biggest thing is like trust and privacy right now, right? Like,
Hmm.
are people going to create a second wallet that give these agents access to their wallets so that you never overextend or withdraw more money than you're looking to? So I think like, if I was a user of this and I'm interacting with this, that's what I would do, because like I'm scared with all these agents and, blockchain transactions mostly not being reversible, that like, something would go wrong. It would hallucinate. Anything can happen, right? And so that's kind of my take on these payment things. Credit cards are always safer because like you pay the credit card bill at the end of the month. It's really easy these days to go and be like, this was fraud, this is a mistake, I didn't do this, right? Like
Yeah.
until those kinds of systems are built in into like, L1 payment networks, I'm not sure people would be okay with like making their entire wallet open to like a AI agent.